Hello, happy weekend, happy weekend. How are you? How are you to all of us? Same as usual. That's life. Life's so good. Happy weekends, and how are you? How are you? To all people living in this earth, to all subscriber that I have, thank you viewers, new subscriber, mga supporters of my Still, of my Simply, and this small channel that what I have. Oh, ang laki-laki ng ribbon, ano, and that's what me. And thank you also some blogger that there is, they are already continue helping in my channel, and they are still supporting, open-minded, open heart, without nothing. They are just open arms to support wherever you are, what is nationalities you are. God provide everything, whatever we need. Because he is the one that he provide everything what we need in our life. And what happened sa buong mundo, especially in the different countries, talaga that is plan. Maybe yun na yung history sa mundo, na bawat year we have individual trials, individual mga pagsubok, mga pains, mga sacrifices. That's life na talaga siguro to the all people that we are still living in this earth. Kaya ganun na talaga ang life. So some of them also, thank you very much. And mga sadness, mga failurities na sickness na encounter, just pray and God provide everything, whatever we need. Ganun na talaga siguro ang buhay. That's life. And we just pray and continue, because I know that God protect always, and yun na yung kapalaran siguro na para sa bawat buhay sa nangyari sa ibang ng mga people living in this earth. Kaya ganun talaga siguro. So Lord, thank you very much also sa some mga vloggers that are already successful in their channel that they have. Ingatan ninyo, keep safe that one, because super effort na tiyaga na mag-gain ninyo ang kung ano meron kayo now, kung what you have now, and that is your everything, that is your effort with all individual having a subscriber, viewers, and supporters also because of them. Kaya nagiging, you will be still like that one and like this one. Okay, so thank you very much. And to all my families, both side of my mother, my father, that they also belong in the different countries already. Different countries they belong, because some of them they're working in the other countries now with their own families. And some were still in our hometown. Continue happy na sila doon. They belong already, and they have a different social. They are making their individual belong of the social media, that what they want. Congrats, grabe, oh, super na talaga. Because of what's that only of the social media, even we are not knowing each other, even we are not seeing in the personalities, but God knows everything. So Brad, to my all brother and sister, mga co-workers, mga previous and presents, God provide everything. And tol, ingat lagi tol sa biyahe, sa may mga sister-in-laws ko, sa mga nieces, sa mga apo sa tuhod, relatives, sa mga kumari and kumpare, mga kababata, mga ka-childhood, and to my amo, to my employer, the family of my madam, family of my sir, and to Sisi, good luck Sisi for your grade 1. And God provided everything, their friends, both side, and to all people in this Baghdad, Iraq, or in the another countries also. Not only in the Baghdad, not only in the Philippines, but all over the world. that we are belonging the different countries, and we are not the same people. We are nationalities is not the same. Okay, so God bless at all, and God provide everything. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you, and happy weekends. Namimiss ko yung greetings na bilang pasasalamat. Kaya ngayon, just planning to make the video to say greetings, to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And God bless us all, and happy weekends. Ingat-ingat, keep safe. And I know that we have some problems of my cousins, and just pray to God, because God, that is the plan of God. So we must be accept what happened. Okay, so sadness, that is always part of our life. Okay, yala, bye.